90% of the videos uploaded to YouTube have less than 1,000 views. And that is according to data from PEX that's comprised of all the publicly available data up until December 31st, 2019. Meaning that you're in the top 10% if your video gets 1,000 views. And to be more specific, they say 88.4% of the videos uploaded have less than 1,000 views. So, but they just rounded up to 90. And in terms of videos that have 100,000 plus views, that's less than 1%, 0.77%. So yeah, that's definitely the 1% of creators. And those people account for the majority, the bulk of the views on the platform. They account for over 80% of the views on the platform. So the point being is, hey, YouTube isn't necessarily an easy thing to do. Now, on my other channel, Iceberg Gym, I have approximately 50 videos, if not soon to be 50 videos that have over 1,000 views. So that means I do have the ability to make content that's in the top 10%. Now, I haven't crossed into the top 1% yet, or even a smaller number like the top 0.8 or the top 0.77 at this time. And on this channel, Ice King Interactive, I have 4 videos with over 1,000 views. Now, that's a good start to be able to get to that high level. That's an A level in so many words. A minus, A kind of level. To get in that top tier A plus type of level, you have to be able to crank out videos that get 100,000 views. And you want to be able to do that consistently to have a successful channel, pretty much regardless of what you're talking about. Yes, depending on the CPM of your channel, you can make do with probably about 10,000 views. Doesn't necessarily have to come from one video, but maybe a multitude of videos, 10,000 views per day or per whatever, right? Because if you have a CPM around, say, $5, and that's your actual CPM that you actually can take home with you, you make it goes into your AdSense account, that's $5. $50 at 10,000 views. And that's when you start getting to more substantial a bit of money. Now, if you have a better CPM than 5, and you have like a $10 CPM, you're golden with 10,000 views. You're making $100 per 10,000 views, and hopefully you can make that amount per video. And that can add up over a course of days or the course of a month, etc. So you really can make something happen if you can get to that upper echelon. And I think you need at least 10,000 views per video on average to have a chance to make it on YouTube, to have a chance to make a substantial amount of money on YouTube, especially if you don't put in a whole lot of money into producing those type of videos. Or if it's a basic video, you can at least get your money back and have a little bit on the side and try to scale up from that point forward. And obviously, every niche has different CPMs, as to be expected. But they say most people have between $2 and $5. So assuming you have about $5 and you can make 50 a video, you want to see if you can produce multiple videos in a day. So maybe you can crank out 3 videos a day. That's $150. $150 a day. That's a good piece of change. Can you crank out 3 videos every day? 3 times 7, 21. And say you don't have time every day. Maybe you just crank out 21 videos per week. That's probably the best way to do it. Say, hey, can I get 21 videos in a week? If I have an extra video left over, maybe save it for the next week. Who knows? But 10,000 views, getting those type of videos that can get up to 10,000 views, that's a good start to actually make some change on YouTube and get yourself into the process of maybe this becoming a substantial source of income. And that's just based on AdSense alone. So yeah, YouTube is definitely a hard game. Can take a while. Doesn't take a while for everybody. If it's somehow popular and they catch on and the algorithm pushes them to the right people that enjoy their content. But a lot of times it's going to take the algorithm some time, especially if you're all over the place in content, to get it to the right people. So that's why they say it's always usually best to niche down first, so you can get the content from the right people, and that'll give you a chance to get more views on your channel. That being said, this Ice King Interactive focused on tech. I should have a good chance to accomplish those goals. Iceberg gym channels, more variety, even though it leans towards food, but there's variety on that. So my best chance of success is probably a few videos popping off and going late viral, where they just catch on somewhere and YouTube starts pushing and pushing and pushing it. And then I get to rack up the views that way. So yeah, we're going to keep chugging along this Ice King Interactive channel. Hopefully I'm able to switch over to this channel as my main content channel soon. There's a few more things I want to do in the Iceberg gym channel, and that's not going to shut down anytime soon. But, you know, that's a way for me to get out things as it relates to different topics and things of that nature. And I guess give a little bit of my thought process, personality, if you will, and just have it out there. So, yeah, expect a few more videos on the Iceberg gym channel. And I might hold some back to see what happens with the videos that are already on there, see that can catch some steam, or which videos catch steam, and it may produce content along those lines as well. But that's more of a home run channel right now as it stands. But it's going to be my bread and butter on this Ice King Interactive. And I'm just going to have to stick to chatting, commenting on tech and things of that nature. So yeah, YouTube is a hard game. Getting views ain't easy. Just getting 1,000 views is an A level type of job. That means you did really well. That's not even average. And you say, yeah, people don't always upload for different reasons, and maybe they don't title their stuff right, or even if they're actually trying to do something, they just don't always have it. So hey, be proud of yourselves. Be proud of yourselves if you can get 1,000 views on a video. If you can get 10,000 views on a video, plus, that's even better, because that means you got a chance to actually make something happen, make something pop off. And all you got to do is try to increase your frequency. Maybe get into some higher earning type of things. If you're versatile enough, yeah, if you're getting 10,000 views a video, you can get something going. You can definitely get something going, even at a CPM of $5. $5, 10,000 views, 50, 100,000 views. If you add it up to that, you get $500. So, you know, just keep cranking out those videos. You know, yeah. So, you know, 10 videos and get yourself $500. 20 videos, get yourself $1,000, and you're putting out 21 per week. You get yourself $1,000 per week. Now you're doing good, because that's about medium income in the United States. So if you get yourself up to $1,000 per week, you're doing good for yourself. But that's all pretty much based on you hitting 10,000 views per video, which isn't impossible, because when you hit that 1,000, you're already doing an A-level job. Take it to the next level, you might be able to get it to that 10,000 per view. So yeah, that's just my thoughts. I'm just commenting on that, and I think it's interesting. And I hope you guys check out more of my videos. Let's keep this thing going. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.